Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make only one cell bigger in Excel. To start, open Excel. Here, place the cursor at the end of the cell. When it turns into a cross, press the left mouse button and drag the row to the new size. You can repeat this process to adjust the size at the row width level. Alternatively, you will select the desired cells. After that, click on Merge and Center so that these cells become one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.